Hello everybody. As you can see, after you do trim the trims to make it smooth and one solid piece, because and all the ribbons are in, and then it's time for test fitting and maybe to adjust things. Leave it there. Also made a adjustment. This is the first adjustment. The battery box is now connected to the listing to that. And also there is a little channel that allows me, it's open to put the cables in, so the cables are not visual from the outside. Also the battery box is adapted. I only have now 2 pins, that you can release, and the battery box underneath is like a hook, so it will stick in there like a glove. And now I have to wait for the LEDs so I can mount them in, wiring and all the other finishing. I'm not sure about the paint. I want to make one original one with the blitz here, and maybe made a black eyes one. But I'm gonna ask my cousin. He's a graffiti slash airbrush slash artist, if he can do one for me. So yeah, I keep you all updated. I know I cannot see the progress because I don't have a cameraman or woman or anything, so I'm filming the process, what I'm doing, and I'm now test fitting in. And I want to make also, when I grab the handle, a strap, so you can really control the shield better. The old one doesn't have that, and it was like 10 kilograms to lift it up. Also, I lose some bolts. Normally there were like 4 more bolts on one screen. There was like, here were like 4 in here, 4 here, 4 here, 4. I removed them, and I'm trying to reduce the weight. The last shields were like 10 kilograms. So yeah, they are heavy. But then again, no pain, no gain. See ya.